So are you one of those people that are moving from the north, the northeast, the west coast, and you guys want to live in a new construction community that is smaller and yet more affordable, that also has lower HOA fees? Well, in this video, we're actually going to be walking through the Whitestone model here right behind me, which is located in the Cedar Grove community here in Northport, which is the northern east part of Northport. I can show you guys on a map. But yet this one is almost fully built out, but they are building a next door community that is connected here, and that is called the Strand at Cedar Grove. And that one, this model will not be built there, but they have one that's identical almost, and that is called the Winthrop model, except that one is going to have one extra full bathroom in a bedroom, while this one is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, plus a flex room, 2-car garage, almost 2,900 square foot in size, while the Winthrop model, instead of 2.5 baths, it's going to have 3.5 baths. But I wanted to show this to you guys because there is not one yet built in the Strand community just yet for inventory and ready to buy. So this one will give you guys a good idea of kind of what a 2-story house will get you for the price of only $456,000 was what this house was being sold at. The Winthrop model in the Strand is starting at $435,900. So if you guys want more information on a bigger house that's just under 3,000 square feet that, you know, is not over $1 million, you guys can reach out to us with our contact information down below. And if you guys want to join our dedicated VIP email list, which is giving you guys access to all this off-market inventory in like this community or other communities nearby, you guys can reach out to my team directly, personally, and I will actually reach out to you and try to figure out what exactly you're looking for so I can pair you with the perfect new construction community that fits all of your guys' needs. So with all that being said, let's go pop into this Whitestone model and let's show you what a 2-story house looks like here at Cedar Grove in Northport, Florida.